Hello, my name is Gertrude and I'm a Junior Developer Advocate in the Developer Relations team at Qlik. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Qlik CLI. That is, installation, configuring a context in order to enable connection with Qlik sensors. And finally, a simple example on how to create an app using the Qlik command line. Let's get started. Before we begin, please ensure that you have these 4 requirements in place. First, have access to Qlik Cloud Tenant. Make sure to record the fully qualified name of your tenant because it's needed for connecting through Qlik CLI. Second, confirm the user has a professional license assignment in the tenant. Third, confirm the developer role is assigned to the user who is accessing the tenant through the Qlik CLI. If you're not sure how to do this, check the link in the description that shows you how to. Fourth, obtain an API key from your Qlik tenant. As well, if you're not sure how to do this, check the description for a link that shows you how to do it. Now we can begin. For this demo, I am using Mac. Therefore, I will use Homebrew to tap Qlik open source using the command brew tap OSS/taps. Once the tap has been tapped, we are now going to install the tool using the command brew install Qlik CLI. After installation, it is very important that you don't forget to add completion, as this will help you in generating autoscripts. Now we can authenticate using Qlik context, and we're going to use the command Qlik context init. This is also where you will use the 4 requirements that I have previously talked about, which is the tenant URL as well as the API key. Now you can enter in the API key which you previously generated or just generated. As you can see, it says context tenant URL already exists. That's because that is true, and I will have to update the API key with the one that I have just generated. Using the command Qlik context update, I will do this now. If successfully authenticated, you should see a message that says, "Welcome, your name with everything is now set up." Qlik CLI has documentation built into it. This means for every command issued to the command line, you can add help at the end to get more information about the specific command. We're going to do that now to create an app. So we're going to say Qlik app create plus help at the end. As we can see, we get information on how to create an app, and we're going to do that. We're going to issue the command Qlik app create attributes name plus the name of the app as a string. And we're going to add Q or quiet at the end in order to only return the app ID. Once the app has been created and we get the app ID information, we're now going to get more information about the app based on the previous information that we got about creating an app. And so we're going to say Qlik app get plus the app ID that we just generated. Now we have all the information that we need about the app, and we're ready to use it, as now it is just an app without information. Additionally, you can use the help command in order to get an overview of commands that you can use to take advantage of the Qlik command line too. These include categorical commands such as extension management commands or system management commands, as well as advanced API commands. This means you can get categorical commands and then simplify it by going into details on a particular command, as I am doing now with a Qlik space and adding help to it. As you can see, you get detailed information on how you can use the space API using the command line. We're going to try this as well with the question API by saying Qlik question and adding help to the end. With that, you can see that you're able to use the API by saying ask, and you can get more information on how to use it. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let us know what you think and follow us on Twitter for more updates. Bye for now.